Hello everyone, welcome to BDS Online classes. This is Sanjay Verma, your chemistry teacher. Dear students, today in this video I am going to teach you about nomenclature of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Okay? Nomenclature of haloalkane and haloarenes. Okay, dear students, haloalkanes are commonly called as alkyl halide. Okay, the common naming of alkyl halides are derived by naming of alkyl group followed by the halide. Alkyl halides are named as halo substituted hydrocarbons in IPC system of nomenclature. Means the IPC nomenclature of alkyl halides are derived by halo substituted hydrocarbons. Okay, like as CH3, CH2, 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 Cl. The common name of this compound is 1, 2, 3, 4. N-butyl chloride. This is the common name. Okay, N-butyl chloride. N means normal. Okay, IPC naming is, as you know that before starting the IPC naming we start numbering. Okay, according to the rule. Okay, after the numbering we start to naming, such as this is 1 chlorobutane. This is the IUPAC nomenclature. 1 chlorobutane, 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon, that is but. 1 chlorobutane. Okay, next example is the common name of this compound is isobutyl chloride. Okay, because this is in isoform. You know that about isoform? This is a isoform. Okay, and this is the neoform. This is the neoform. So this compound in common naming is called as isobutyl chloride, and the IPC naming of this compound is 1 chloro 2 methyl propane. Okay, 1 chloro 2 methyl propane. This is the IPC naming of this compound. Okay, next example is this is the third compound. Okay, and the common name of this compound is neopentyl bromide. Okay, and IPC naming is name is one bromo 2,2-dimethyl propane. Okay, the common naming of this compound is neopentyl bromide and IPC naming is 1 bromo 2,2-dimethyl propane. Okay, next is haloarine. Haloarenes. Dear students, haloarenes are the common as well as IPC naming of aryl halide for dihalogen derivatives. The prefixes ortho, para and meta are used in common system, while in IPSC the numerals 1, 2, 1, 3 and 1, 4 are used. For example, this is the haloarine, compound of haloarine. Common name is chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene and IPC naming is also chlorobenzene. Okay, common naming IPC name. Okay, next example is The IPC naming of this compound is one, two, 4 tribromo benzene. Okay, I already told you that the IPC naming is takes as in numerals 1, 2, 1, 3 and 1, 4. Okay, next is the IPC naming of this compound is three bromo four chloro one methyl benzene. If number of substituents are added, then we naming them according to their alphabet, as you have to study in class 11th. Okay, so dear students, in this video you have to you have to study about the IPC nomenclature of halo, alkanes and halogens. Thank you.